Results of Monte Carlo simulations are presented in the risk-adjusted project schedule using Result Gantt View. White bars represent the original project schedule. Blue bars represent the risk-adjusted project schedule, where start and finish times are calculated based on schedule risk analysis. As you can see here, the risk-adjusted project schedule takes longer and all bars are shifted to the right. Right-click on the Gantt chart and you can enable or disable triangles representing low and high values. You can also display optimistic and pessimistic Gantt charts. This project schedule is based on settings defined here. In this example, an optimistic schedule is associated with P10, and a pessimistic schedule is associated with P90. You can define a custom percentile for optimistic and pessimistic risk-adjusted project schedules.